So I'm Vish Mishra, I'm president of TiE, and being president means, I run the entire affairs of TiE over here in Silicon Valley, and also means that I'm the head volunteer for TiE. TiE, single-handedly, this is the organization that supports entrepreneurs in a huge way. Any entrepreneurs who are seeking success or are already successful, they can come to TiE and they can fine-tune their skills and they can get advice, they can get even funding, and that's what we do at TiE all year round. People have come, and there have been thousands of people who have come to TiE. And just last year alone, I can just talk about at least 15 companies that came to TiE. They got the advice and they got a lot of kind of guidance. But on top of that, these people got funded by TiE. So to me, that's hugely impressive. 15 companies got funded, created, maybe collectively about 200 maybe plus jobs. They are valued over $200 million. This is just last year alone. We really want to improve people's lives. I'm Vish Mishra. I really would like you to come to TiECon.